Outside the rain begins, and it may never end, so cry no more on the shore. A dream will take us out to sea forevermore, forevermore. Close your eyes and dream, for you can be with me beneath the waves, through the caves of ours, long forgotten now. We're all alone, we're all alone. Close the window, calm the light, and it will be alright. No need to bother now. Let it out, let it all begin. Learn how to pretend. Well, hi there pluckers, I've Saw Things again with you, with hopefully another little nice lesson for you from Rita Coolidge. This one, classic song called We're All Alone, originally written and performed by Boz Scaggs, I believe, okay, but this is based on the Rita Coolidge arrangement, okay. I've arranged it for a single acoustic guitar, and standard tuning, no capos as you can see, doing it in the same key as Rita Coolidge, okay, so you can play along with her record if you want to. So the intro, right, so I'm basically using three chords for the intro. It's a G, an A minor 7, which is an A minor chord with the third finger off, open third string, so second on the fourth, first on the second, 5 down to 1, and then we could do a B minor 7th, bar chord 2nd fret, and minor shape with pinky off, okay. So it's like it's like an A minor 7th but 2 frets up, okay, B minor 7th, and those are the three chords for the intro. And what we do is very simple. We do some arpeggiating, okay. On the G chord, that's what we play. Bottom E string, 4th string, 2nd string, back to the 4th string. I know you're going to say, well, why am I holding this other finger? Well, it's just the way I do it, and I hold the chord, okay. So you could just play it with that single finger there. If you wanted to, just the 3rd on the 6th would suffice, but I always automatically form the chord, I can't help it, okay. So that's the first chord. The second chord, A minor 7th, you fret the A minor 7th and you hit the 5th string, the 4th string, 2nd string, back to the 4th string. So it's 5th, 4th, 2nd, 4th, okay? So now you've got this. And you go to the B minor 7th and you play exactly the same as you did for the A minor 7th. That's the 5th string, 2nd fret with the bar, okay? 4th string, 2nd string, and back to the 4th string. Exactly the same as the A minor 7th. And then we go back to the A minor 7th again, do the same again, 5th string, 4th string, 2nd string, 4th string. And then back to the G for the start of the song. Okay, and then we start strumming. Okay, so the whole intro slowly. Okay, and then we enter the G chord. Outside the rain begins. Right, so the way I'm playing it is G, out, F sharp minor 7th, okay? That's a bar on the 2nd fret and a 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the 5th string, the A string there. Okay, so that's G, outside the B7, rain, B, E minor, rain. Okay, so it's outside the rain begins. Okay, Now I could offer you an alternative to the second chord, the F sharp minor 7. You could go to a B7 sus 4, which is G. Outside the rain begins. Okay, there's that alternative if you like that. If you like the sound of that or find it easier to play. All that one is, it's like an A chord, but all fingers up a string. So I'm playing the second fret of the 5th string, the 4th string and the 3rd string. 5 down to 1. That's a B7 sus 4. Okay, so that's the alternative to the F sharp minor 7th, if you like it or you prefer to play it. Okay, so I'll play it both ways. So it's outside the rain begins. That's the way I played it the first time. Second time using the B7 sus 4. Outside the rain begins. There's not a lot in it, but you might prefer one way over the other, okay, for one reason or another. Right, so let's get on with it. So outside the rain begins, and it may never end. 3 chords there. That's a D minor 7, barring the first 2 strings on the top. First 2 strings on the 1st fret with the 1st finger, and then the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. 5 down to 1, and then a G7, standard G7 to a C. So a D minor 7, G7, C. So now we've got this. Outside the rain begins, and it will never end. Okay. Now the next chord is a G major 7. It's that diagonal chord I use a lot. Okay, it starts off on the 2nd fret of the top E string with the 1st finger. 2nd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. 3rd finger is playing the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Pinky is playing the 5th fret of the 4th string. 4 down to 1. Okay. If you find that a struggle, you could just play that, miss off the pinky, and just do like a sort of a simplified B minor, and just play 4 down to 1 on that. But ideally, needs to have that pinky on there doing that. The other G7, G major 7 you could try is that 2nd fret top E string, 1st finger, and the bottom. You can either just do it on the top 4 strings, like that, or you can put the bottom E string into it on the 3rd fret. Okay. So I mean that's fairly good. Just a very simple version of a G major 7. 4 down to 1. Okay, so outside the rain begins, and it may never end, so cry no more. See, that works, but it's not as good as cry no more, which I like. Okay, so you've got that one, that one, that one, or that one for a G major 7. Pick one of that you like the sound of or plays easier for you or whatever. Okay, so outside the rain begins, and it may never end, so cry no more on the shore, dream. No, sorry, dream. Right, the next chord after the G major 7th goes, so cry no more on the shore. That is a B flat diminished. 1st finger, 2nd fret, 4th string. 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 3rd string, and pinky 3rd fret, top E string. 4 down to 1 again. B flat diminished. Okay. So G major 7th. So cry no more. B flat diminished on the shore, A minor 7th again. dream. So all the way from that up to that point from the very beginning, okay? Outside the rain begins, and it may never end, so cry no more on the shore dream. Okay, as far as we got. Now we go to a D7. We'll take standard D7 shape, take us out to back to the B minor 7, C to an E minor, straightforward E minor. Okay, so that's cry no more on the shore a dream. D7 take us B minor 7 to E minor, A minor 7th forevermore. Stays there for 2 bars, and then we do 2 bars of D7 sus4. And to play that, so you've got your A minor 7th like that. All you need to do is leave your first finger where it is on that first fret of the second string there, the B string. Move this second finger down to the second fret on the third string from the fourth string. Okay, so from the A minor 7th you move it down a string, okay, and use your pinky or your third finger to play the top E string on the third fret. Okay, 4 down to 1 or 5 down to 1, that's D7 sus4. Okay, and that's the end of the verse. Okay, and then we do another verse. Okay, so from the beginning a whole verse, and I'll go into the second verse, and it's exactly the same to play. Okay, so outside the rain begins, and it may never end, so cry no more on the shore a dream will take us out to sea forevermore, forevermore. Next verse exactly the same. Close your eyes and dream, and you can be with me, 'neath the waves, through the waves of long forgotten now. We're all alone, we're all alone. Right, this is like the chorus. Close the window. Right, so that's G, close the A minor 7th, window calm the B minor 7th line, and B7, it will be all E minor. Right. So once again, G, close A minor 7th, window calm B minor 7th line, B7th, it will be all E minor. Right. So as we got. Now we go to a D minor 7th, G 7th, C again. No need to bother now. Got to do it. D minor 7th. No need to G7 bother now. So from the beginning of the chorus. Close the window, calm the light, for it will be alright. No need to bother now. Right? Now we go almost the same as part of the verse. We go to the G major 7th again. Let it out, the B flat diminished. Let it all be A minor 7th. Again, D 7th. Learn how to pretend. And we play the intro again. 10. Off into another verse. Okay, so that whole chorus going into the intro again. Okay, so close the window like the light, and it will be alright. No need to bother now. Let it out, let it all begin. Learn how to the next verse, and then basically it does another verse, or another 2 verses, sorry, it does another 2 verses, and then another chorus, and that's it. It just another 2 verses. It's just like repeating the whole song again from the start. Okay, 2 verses chorus, 2 verses chorus. Okay, with the intro in between. Okay, so there we have it, boys and girls. Everything you need to play that song. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.